one thing is very important to understand. In Shaktipat system says that even you have many bases are there, but everyone having one potential is called Shakti. Shakti is the same amount in each person. So in this level, in this matter, we all are one, all are same. So according to the Shaktipat, if suppose you did very many bad karmas in past life, your background is not very good, but this base you have, if you are very much interested, even if you did many sin, many bad karmas, but you can get enlightened because this base you are having, this base is same. According to the Shaktipat, this base is okay, but not very important. We cannot say if I did not do good karma in my past life, so I cannot get enlightenment. Otherwise, many people can say, "Oh, God did injustice with me. I am poor. I have not good base. This person is very poor. This person is very lucky." So this base is become according to your karmas. But what is the important in your life? Important is your potential. This is important. In this matter, all are same. So nobody can say that God gives some injustice with us. God says that if you are interested, even you did many bad karmas in past life, but you can get enlightened because you have this base. So according to the Shaktipat system, we should not have any kind of inferiority complex that he is better than me. What is important? This potential, you are equal in this matter, in this potential. So you can get, anybody can get enlightened. Many history I heard, many people were there, they are very poor, they got enlightened. Many very rich people, they get enlightened. Even in the history of like Hindu, Indian, many prostitute women, they got enlightened. So you see about this potential, you have same potential. In potential matter, anybody can get enlightened, anybody. But we need, to very deep curiosity about that. Then any kind of sanskara, any kind of atmosphere, anything is not effective. So according to the Shaktipat system, actually everyone born to get enlightened. This is our birthright.